me the script, and I got it from my agency. He saw me in something, I don't know what it was, but he offered me the part just flat out, and I never even met him yet.
Le mandó el guión y le ofreció un papel, la verdad que ni siquiera se conocían en esa época.
But I didn't really want that part. You know, I don't want to be killed by Tim Roth, you know. I didn't want to be Mr. Blonde, but I wanted to be Mr. Pink.
La verdad que ni siquiera quería hacer ese papel, no quería que me matara el actor Tim Roth, así que, pero bueno, quería ser el señor Rosado.
Yes, yeah. Because he gets away, right? I mean, you think he gets away with the diamonds, so I wanted to be that guy. And he had more scenes with Harvey, and I wanted to have more screen time with Harvey, so.
Quería el papel del tipo que se quedaba con los diamantes, porque parece que él como que se salva y sale ganando. Y quería tener más escenas con Harvey Keitel también.
But Quentin got his way, and he let me audition for Mr. Pink. I was already in the movie, but I asked him if I could read and show him how great I would be in Mr. Pink. He let me do it, but it didn't work.
De todas maneras me dejó audicionar para el papel de Mr. Pink, incluso ya habiendo sido confirmado para ser el señor Rubio.
It was very funny because I did the whole thing, and then he goes, no, no, you're not going to be him. And I was like, yeah, okay, man. Did you notice that Steve Buscemi was wearing the black jeans?
La verdad que claro, me deja audicionar, pero igual después me dice, no vas a ser el señor Rosado, vas a ser el señor Rubio. ¿Vieron la parte de los jeans negros de Steve Buscemi?
Sí.
You know, they understand everything I'm saying. So, yeah.
Hello, thanks for coming to Chile. And can I ask you a question about Tarantino?
Sure.
Do you know why, like, his obsession with dying in all his movies?
I don't know. You have to ask him. I don't know. I never asked him that question. I have no idea.
And with his obsession with the food?
With what?
With food. With the food. Feet.
Oh. I think that started with Kill Bill, or maybe it was before that, before anybody knew. You see, but I think. I can't say. Sexy feet. Woman has sexy feet, what can I say?
No es muy bueno en inglés, pero me gustaría saber, claro, en este caso, si él pensó alguna vez en la idea sobre hacerse la película de los hermanos Vega. ¿Qué le parecía la idea, si le gustaba o no?
You know, that's something I really wanted to do very badly, but the funny thing is, well, see, I was going to be Vincent Vega in the Pulp Fiction, but if I had did that, then I would have been my own brother. So it didn't really make any sense. But I wanted to do the Vega brothers, but you know, Quentin got busy with a bunch of other stuff, and you know, we never did it. And now it's too late because, you know, because we don't look the same anymore, right? You know, it would have to be a prequel or a sequel, or yeah, well, it would have to be something that happened after that. And he did tell me one time that I could be I could be Vic Vega's twin brother, and John could be Vincent Vega's twin brother, and that we are both in prison, and we get out of prison and we go to LA to have vengeance on Bruce Willis and Mr. Orange. maybe what happened, I don't know. Did you understand?
¿Entendieron todos?
She's the greatest, by the way. Really, really, she's so wonderful. She helped me so much while I've been here. You should give her a big hand. She's so amazing.
Una pregunta ahí.
Well, you should thank the film festival for bringing me here. Because I couldn't have afforded it, but and they sent me on a plane and gave me a room at the Hyatt. You know what I have in my pocket? Here's what I want to say to everybody. Here, you do it.
En Liguria le entregó unas postales y hay una de ellas relacionada a poesía. Y dice: el pueblo unido jamás será vencido.